Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. Just a quick look at Polygon here then. As we can see, Matic right now absolutely smashed down over the past week or so. A lot of altcoins have been doing this. Some of the larger altcoins have been absolutely capitulating to the downside after, I think potentially some kind of calculated liquidation event. A lot of these bigger altcoins like Polygon, VeChain, for example, have all been absolutely capitulating and rolling over to the downside over the past week or so. You can see here for Polygon, really it was just quite a simple breakdown. Came back up and back tested this level here, as you can see, at the 050. I had a short position here which got obviously filled and it went to profit pretty much straight away. Quite a simple breakdown back test at that 050 level at around 97 cents. But then we absolutely capitulated. We rolled all the way back down past the 038 at 75 cents and just rolled all the way down. A massive liquidation event for Polygon here, down to around 51 cents where we finally got the bounce. We wicked all the way back up to 60 cents, a little bit of a relief rally, and now looking like really we are just chopping sideways. But you can see clearly this area of support here has been completely lost, and we came down into this next level of structure. Also, that Fibonacci level, obviously a big level where you'll probably see ourselves bouncing as well, which is what we saw for Polygon there. You can see we've got a very decent bounce at that level, but right now looking like a little bit of a relief rally, and really Polygon just grinding to the side right now, trying to figure out its next move. A quick look at the hourly time frame will also show you that we did obviously see a potential back test of this level here, but quite clear that the back test proved to be quite successful for a little bit of a bounce. And right now really we are just looking at basically Polygon potentially, if we do see ourselves continuing to roll over, we could even see a loss of this 023 Fibonacci level. If we do see that, we're going to be heading back down to that swing low again, down at around 33 cents, which would be crazy really when you look at how well Polygon has actually done recently. You can see obviously the bull market here, the overextension with the bearish divergences. We start to go into the bear market, big capitulation here, nice bounce, and then since then we've been grinding through our Fibonacci levels. But really Polygon right now showing like it's breaking some of the bullish market structure we've been seeing for it. You can see obviously this higher highs and higher lows going on here. We come down, but we've actually come down and made a lower low here. And if we come down, make a lower high and start to do something like this, we could easily see a back test of some of these lower levels for Polygon if that's the case. So right now not touching this at all in terms of trades, waiting to see what happens next in the market. But I do think realistically Polygon right now it's stuck in the middle of a range between the 023 and the 038, and we do need to wait and see with more information what is going to happen next. So that is it for today guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please do like and subscribe, get involved in the content, and I'll see you in the next video.